Mike Hughes here. I'm at Acqua, ACQUA, and I'm here with Illich. And you want to tell us about this new product you have?
Yeah, that's right. I am the founder, and with my wife, Kayla. My name's Illich, and this is the Acqua MD. It uses ultrasonic vibration. It's a patented device that we have here, and it's been clinically tested and mother approved for removing safely the water out of your ear.
Your mother approved?
Mother right here.
Okay, so yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay, and then now tell us a little bit about the way it works.
Sure. So basically, it uses ultrasonic vibration inside a motor that oscillates the tip. The tip comes off. It's a silicone tip for ease of use. It's got a
cleaning.
Yep, and cleaning. So water,
channel for funneling water.
Yep, water gets trapped behind the wax, so it helps break apart the wax. And then there's a small and a medium nib for your comfort. You turn it on, and it goes to low, and you press it one more time, and it goes to high. And the indicator lets you know if it's on low, high, or off.
Okay.
That's pretty much it. You just put it in your ear.
And you're using gravity, so you're just tilting your ear a little bit.
Turn it on, and voila.
Cool.
That's all it is.
Cool. And so anything else we should know about the product? Where they can find it? .com would we go to?
Yeah, AquaMD.com.
Okay.
ACQUAMD.com.
Perfect.
We're sold on Amazon and Bartell Drugs in this summer. So,
okay. Great. Thank you very much.
You got it. Thanks.